Hola todos! Good news! I just passed my driving test.
Yay!
Yes! I'm relieved and happy. So today I will be sharing to you my driving study experience in Portugal. Okay. I have this temporary driving license. At the moment, I can drive in Portugal. But when I have the full driving license, I can travel around Europe. If you are new here in Portugal and want to take up driving lesson, here are the requirements. One is citizen card if you are Portuguese citizen. Residency card if you are foreigner, must be original. Schools doesn't accept passport only. You have to be resident here. Number 2 is the medical certificate. I got my medical certificate from the health center, from my family doctor, and got it for free. Schools normally have doctor contact to get the medical certificate for a fee. Kate is also studying in the school where I went, and she paid 35 euros for the medical certificate because the family doctor here is no longer issuing the medical certificate. So the driving lesson has 28 hours of theory classes. I finished my theory classes just under 3 months, and then the theory test, which took 2 months to get a schedule. I took the test in Portuguese, which I passed. Chambala. If you are like me, still not fluent in Portuguese language, you can hire a language translator to translate the theory exam. So here is the book, the driving book I got from the school, and it's in Portuguese. There's no translated into English, so it's just this. After passing the theory test, I then had to take 32 hours of practice driving, and then the driving exam also took more or less 2 months to get a schedule. Shout out to my driving professor. Thank you for your patience and professionalism. You know who you are.
There's our teacher!
I give you.
Speaks English.
So, if you have any questions regarding driving, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you todos! Be genius! Congratulations to me!